Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make objects unselectable in Blender. This is the first thing in Blender. If you want to make an object unselectable, we can go to Outliner and then go to Filter. We can check the box to show selectable. And then we can go to Outliner, we can find the object. We can see the disable selection icon. We can turn off it, so we cannot select camera again. So if we select all the object, we can select the cube and the light, but we cannot select the camera. Same thing, we can make the light unselectable, so we can see that the light is deselected. So if we activate, so we can select all the object again. So this is how we can make objects unselectable in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.